Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to make it so when you try to get the character from a player, it doesn't return nil. Because sometimes what happens works, sometimes it doesn't now. For server script, you can use this. You can get the player added and the character added. This parameter is going to be your character. Now you can do stuff with the character. Or let's say you just had just the player, because sometimes you don't want to do a character add because it's going to run anything inside here whenever the player dies. So yeah, you don't want that. But most of the time this happens in local scripts. So first let's just get the player, and most of the time when people try to do this, they do player character. Now 50% of the time when you just do this, sometimes the player doesn't load in fast enough and it will just return nil and your script will break. So what we do is we do another statement where it's player character added wait. So we just wait until the character's added and we'll get that. And that's basically how you do it. And yeah. Oh, one more thing to add. Let's say you have the player, let's say you just are able to have this player variable. We could do the same thing where local character equals player character, or player character added wait. We can print in both ones just to prove that it works. Let's just load in the game. And here you go. Easy solution. Just want to make this video because I saw a lot of people have this issue on the dev forum and Discord. And so if anyone's trying to find this on YouTube, they can do it. And yeah, goodbye.